Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will solve one important theorem of your textbook of triangles. It is on page number 146, theorem 6.6. The theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Here these two triangles are similar. ABC, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides. हमारे पास जो दो triangles है, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove that the ratio of the areas means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, ratio of areas. मैंने लिखा है ratio of areas. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Squares of their corresponding sides. जो इसके corresponding AB का जो corresponding side है that is PQ means it is equal to AB divided by PQ. The square of their corresponding side इनका जो square होता है और is equal to next जो corresponding side है BC का जो corresponding side that is QR, BC divided by QR square. Similarly जो last side corresponding side है AC square divided by PR square. तो हमारे पास जो थॉर्म है the areas of the ratios of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. We have given that two triangles are similar और जो हमें प्रूव करना है इनका जो एरिया रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to the square of their corresponding side. इस AB का जो corresponding side है that is PQ. तभी मैंने लिखा है ratio of their corresponding ratio इनका AB divided by PQ whole square is equal. दूसरा जो corresponding side है BC divided by QR whole square और तीसरा जो है that is AC divided by PR whole square. Now dear students हम लिखेंगे इसमें given क्या है हमें given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. As we know that when triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. When it is given that triangle ABC is similar to PQR, we can write AB, their corresponding sides are proportional. We can write AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. BC का जो corresponding side that is QR. और last side AC divided by PR because we have given that these two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. Here angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R because these two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. ये हमारे पास given था. To prove जो हमें दिखाना है to prove the ratio of the areas, इनका एरिया लेना है area of triangle ABC. To prove ये हमें प्रूव करना है area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Square AB का जो corresponding side उस triangle में PQ ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Ratio of area of two triangles equal to the square of their corresponding sides. दूसरा side जो है that is BC upon QR means BC square divided by QR square. और जो last side है that is AC square means AC divided by PR square. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. अब हम इस पे कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. कंस्ट्रक्शन draw AM perpendicular on BC side and PN मैंने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया ऑन साइड QR। ये हमारे पास गिवन था। Given हमारे पास two similar triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, therefore we can say that AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR and their corresponding angles are equal. To prove जो हमें दिखाना area ratio of their areas of two triangles equal to the square of their corresponding sides, squares of their corresponding sides. ये corresponding sides है, ये भी दो corresponding sides, दो triangles के corresponding sides, ये भी दो corresponding sides, दो triangles के, इनका square लिया मैंने। कंस्ट्रक्शन में BC साइड पे एक परपेंडिकुलर अपोजिट वर्टेक्स से मैंने एक परपेंडिकुलर डाला और इस ट्रायंगल में भी PN इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन QR। नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रूफ हमारे पास होगा इस ट्रायंगल इस फॉर्म का। Now proof. Now, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle दूसरी triangle PQR is equal. Area of triangle ABC, half a base into height 1/2 into base ABC ट्रायंगल की जो बेस है, क्योंकि इस पे परपेंडिकुलर पड़ा, therefore BC is the base into height means perpendicular, that is AM, divided by area of triangle PQR, ये भी होगा half of base, इसकी बेस जो है that is QR into PN, इसका परपेंडिकुलर that is PN। हाफ और हाफ कैंसिल होगा, therefore एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR जो हमारे पास आ गया दैट इज BC अपॉन QR इंटू AM अपॉन PN। ये हमारे पास इक्वेशन फर्स्ट आ गई। इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जब हमने इसमें परपेंडिकुलर डाला, इसमें दो ट्रायंगल्स बन गए। एक ट्रायंगल है दैट इज ABM, नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल इज PQN। नाउ इन ट्रायंगल, इन दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स जहां पर मैंने परपेंडिकुलर डाला, नाउ इन टू ट्रायंगल्स वी कैन प्रूव शो दैट दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स, triangle 1, triangle 2, these are also similar triangles। हमारे पास given है ABC is similar to PQR, but now in these two triangles, now in triangles ABM and PQN we have इन दो ट्रायंगल्स में ABM ये वाली ट्रायंगल जिसमें मैंने परपेंडिकुलर डाला था, और जो दूसरी ट्रायंगल दैट इज ये वाली ट्रायंगल, एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q। वी हैव एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q। इसका रीजन क्या है? बिकॉज दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर। व्हेन टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड एंगल्स आर इक्वल। एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q बिकॉज दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर। एक एंगल M, इस ट्रायंगल का एंगल M इज इक्वल टू एंगल N इज इक्वल टू एंगल N, ईच 90, दोनों एंगल 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि इट इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन AM इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन BC, तो यहाँ एंगल होगा 90 डिग्री, और PN इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन QR, देयरफॉर यहाँ भी एंगल होगा 90 डिग्री। एंगल M इज इक्वल टू एंगल N, ईच 90 डिग्री। और इसका जो रीजन है, ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल PQR, और एंगल B is equal to एंगल Q because these are two similar triangles, corresponding angles equal होते हैं similar triangles में। Therefore, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by AA similarity, क्योंकि बस AA similarity दो एंगल इसमें इक्वल है, एंगल B is equal to एंगल Q और एंगल M is equal to एंगल N. Therefore these two triangles जिनको मैंने बोल्ड किया था, in triangles these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore we can write AB divided by PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. AM upon PN. Because these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. ये भी लिख सकते हैं हम BM divided by QN. तो ये हमारे पास इक्वेशन सेकंड आ गई. इक्वेशन सेकंड. Now, dear students, we are given that first of all, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We can write when these two triangles are similar, तो हमारे पास हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं their corresponding sides AB divided by AB का जो corresponding side है that is PQ is equal to AC upon AC का जो corresponding side that is PR is equal to BC upon QR. क्योंकि ये दो ट्राइंगल्स फुल ट्राइंगल्स ABC is similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. ये इक्वेशन थर्ड हमारे पास. Now we can use equation first, second and third. Now from equation first we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to किसके बराबर आया था हमें BC upon QR into AM upon PN. बट BC डिवाइडेड बाई QR, अगर हम यहाँ देखेंगे BC डिवाइड बाई QR ये किसके बराबर है AB डिवाइड बाई PQ. ये हम AB डिवाइड बाई PQ के बदले यूज कर सकते हैं इसके बदले, बिकॉज एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाई एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR instead of BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR is equal to AB divided by PQ. Therefore हम यहाँ ये भी लिख सकते हैं BC divided by QR के बदले हम लिखेंगे AB divided by PQ because these are two equal sides. AB divided by PQ into AM divided by PN. ये मैंने इक्वेशन थर्ड इस्तेमाल की. Now area of triangle ABC, ratio of areas of two similar triangles, area of triangle PQR is equal to, now here it is AB divided by PQ into AM divided by PN. From equation second, AM divided by PN, it is also equal to AB divided by PQ. Therefore instead of AM divided by PN we can write AB divided by PQ because these are two equal sides. AB divided by PQ. Now further, area of triangle ABC, ratios of two similar areas of two similar triangles, area of triangle PQR is equal to AB into AB, that is AB divided by PQ into PQ whole square. AB divided by PQ. Therefore we have proved that a ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, हमारे पास दो similar triangles जो थी, जो दो similar triangles थी, एक triangle थी ABC, दूसरी थी PQR. ABC PQR, तो हमने प्रूव किया ट्रायंगल ABC ratios of area of triangle ABC दूसरी ट्रायंगल PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square. Similarly we can prove that BC square divided by QR square or AC square divided by PR square. Hence proved.